To always use dark theme for like transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Next, tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap more setting. Under display section, tap theme and then select dark. By doing this, now when you use live transcribe, it will always be displayed in dark mode, where it will use like font text on dark background. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.